So, the hubby will teach me how to make his coffee because I don't know how to make his coffee. By the way, I'm having my cleansed tea, so it's already here. This is mine. I need to do it. This is the coffee, right? How much? This one? Too much. This is my reference para I know how to make your coffee next time. I thought kapag gumagawa ng kape, ganito ang normal. Hindi ba?
Hindi.
Sugar? No creamer?
No creamer.
No creamer.
No! More than. Sige pa. Oh. Ano ba kasama ko? Ayan. Yan.
This one.
Coffee.
How much of a hot water do you put? Always half, right?
No. Almost
Almost half?
full. Sometimes kasi I want it really hot.
Okay.
That's enough na.
Enough.
Add like
Cold water.
not the cold water.
Warm.
Yeah.
And that's our coffee. Morning.
Sunlight pouring through the window. The smell of coffee fills the air. A slow moment in the morning light. With my favorite music playing, it's the start of my day.
Okay, so we're gonna do our race. Okay, so I also want to take this opportunity to actually give you guys a short story because this is going to be also a year-end vlog na rin. It's been actually, I think a year or more than a year since I last vlogged. Except the travel vlog. No? I haven't showed you my life recently. No? Well, to give you a quick wrap-up of what 2025 for me is. So the year started, I did my OJT in Manila High School. It was the best experience. So it's a public school. I was handling grade 9, specifically the Section 5 or the Section E, my Section Excellence. Now, come May, I went to Vietnam. So the Vietnam vlog is already there. And then June, I graduated. I was blessed and I'm very thankful to graduate with Latin honors. I graduated magna cum laude. So that was also the best experience. Of course, it's very memorable for me and my family. This year, I am very active in charity work. So I am the current secretary of the Rotaract Club of Makati McKinley and still the current service project chairperson. Kulayan ang mga plano ng Rotaract this year. Come July, I'm already employed. So right now, currently ending this year as a teacher. So I am a senior high school teacher in Notre Dame of Greater Manila. So that's that. And of course, one of the greatest highlight of this year is of course finding my partner. So I am currently in a relationship and it's something that I really treasure. Seth came into my life early this year. So I was doing my OJT. It was also one of the stressful moments, you know, doing things that are uncertain, doing things na you just don't know what will happen. And of course, it's very tiring. And Seth coming into my life during that timeline is number one, it's unexpected. But most of all, I never thought it's what I needed. And he's with me through so many ups and downs this 2025. And as you can see, this a day in our life is something that I want to share to everybody because it's a piece of me and a piece of what we have. And hopefully in 2026 I'll be able to vlog again because I do really miss vlogging. Thank you, baby. Wow, wow, wow. Nandito for a reason.
Ano pong menu natin, ma'am?
Ginisang bawang. Kasi nga American dinner.
Hello, kahit nasan tayo.
We're currently here in Las Vegas.
Wow, wow, wow.
We're here in New York, Cubao.
Ginagawa niyo po.
I'm cooking your food.
Masarap ba yan?
Mas masarap pa to kaysa sa...
Oo.
Sal!
Siyempre, di na yung ngayon.
Ikaw ha? Mas masarap yung after.
Kanyos ba ka naman? Masarap ba to?
Yes, it is.
Sure ka na?
Promise. You're gonna
Promise.
marry me after this.
Lo. Huwag delikado.
Where's your gift? Oh!
Well, hold on. The story behind that is that yung nakikita ko kasi nung that's why nakita ko na nakamit mo na yun. Well, ang hindi yung gago. So, palitan na ako. Tapos nakita ko noon din yung sa mga lahat ng gamit mo na dinadala mo, yun yung parang pinaka ROI na ROI.
Oh, and it means that either hindi lang ako nakabili. It gets
Wait lang, dapat lagyan mo pala yun ng money.
Ako naman, these are all in one. Well, I actually gave my baby
Huwag mo sasabihin!
Sige. I thought this one.
Ah, yeah.
I gave him a sandals. Parang that's the Christmas. Oh yeah, this one. Can you, before you open that one? Kumbaga, this is a late Christmas gift. This is the monthsary. Kasi he got me 2 gifts. So, this one. Which I think is very bagay to him. Sana magamit niya talaga whenever he go out.
Ay! Iinis!
Why? Okay, so first, sige, show them. There's a story behind this. Wait, I have to. Wait, baby. Let's give a big thank you to Ate Bambi.
Ah!
Cause I asked her to buy this. So it came from Thailand pa. I messaged Ate Bambi, sabi ko, Ate Bam, sabi ko, can you buy, sabi ko na parang mga pamahid. Kaya sabi ko, I want Seth to have it. So I asked her because she's in Thailand. That's the one that you would use.
Ano to?
This Poison inhaler.
Then?
That one kasi is pamahid, babe.
And
This one is the inhaler. That's the pamahid for the sintilo. And then the other one is the inhaler.
Amin na po. 30 na po ako kaya ganyan yung binili ko.
And that is, you know why? Kasi the wallet that you're using is still good. Pero I want you, the reason, okay, here's one. The reason why I gave him a wallet is because that's why we bought a Polaroid. Kasi I wanted to have one. Here.
Ah, bakit? Pwede ko lagyan ng
That's the idea. Ito na po yung gift ko sa kanya kasi ang next na gift ko ay next Christmas. Dahil ako ang dapat makareceive every month sa Come on, pressure na. Come on, pressure
Sabi
na.
ko, meron na nga. Set. Set na.
Is that what you're saying na parang every month makukompleto? I don't understand. Hindi ko na-gets yun. Ito ba yun? Nandito ba yun?
So,